You really need to monitor SEO stats on all your website.
Hi, this is Neil Walters from website-garden.com. And in this video, I want to show you about our SEO monitoring statistics. So this is the page you can go to, and you can type in any one of your domains that you've got on our system. And this is all included as part of your basic package. Basically, every Friday, we go out and we pull all the Moz and the Majestic statistics, and we can make them displayable in this table. And of course, below that, we have nice, pretty graphs, so you can see how things are going. Now, in this graph, you see I also have hrefs. Well, hrefs, has gotten very expensive lately, and even the APIs for that are terribly expensive. So perhaps we will add automatic href stats when we get enough customers. But for now, you can just come in here, and if you have an href subscription, you can click this little pencil thing there, and you can come over here and actually just type in your Ahrefs stats. Otherwise, you just get the Moz and the Majestic stats. And for many of our pages, you can jump to the page where you define your domain. You can look at the uptimes, which I covered in a previous video. If you have Google Analytics turned on for your site, we'll show you the Google Analytics as well. We also take a snapshot of your website every Thursday night or Friday morning to see if the home page got changed or hacked. And then we also do a little bit of page linking. We look within your own sites. We don't look at the whole world, just your own sites, and we tell you if you have any links between them. But over here on the left, there's a menu. And I think I showed you this maybe in a prior video, but maybe you didn't see that one. You can set up alerts on things like uptime and the SEO stats. So for example, here, I'm going to click Add Alert. And let's say this is my Hebrew site, HebrewGarden.com. You see, I like the name garden for some reason. And I pick the stat that I want to monitor. So for example, maybe I'm interested in Majestic Trust Flow. So there's a Majestic TF, and I want to know if there's either a jump or a decrease, for example. So I could say if it's greater than 20 or 30 or something like that, or maybe even more importantly, if it's less than, say, 10. Like what if one day your stats just suddenly goes down? And then basically here, you can put in your email or a phone number, and we'll send you a text message. And you just click Save, and then all your alerts are set up, and you'll automatically get those. And let's take a quick look over here at blog status. If you're into search engine optimization and you have a private blog network, this gives you a quick summary of the last time you posted a blog on any of your sites. And it also tells you if the site is up or down. Now, I've got some really old sites here, so you see some of them are getting various errors. The green, of course, is okay. And then like this site maybe has a good Majestic Trust Flow, kind of a bad Moz DA, but it looks like I've never posted a blog on it. So I need to get that site up and running, right? And in a future video, I will explain to you how we do AI automated blogging, so that basically you can say, I want this website to have a blog every, say, 40 or 60 days or whatever number you want to put in there. And it will automatically create sort of a lower quality blog. And then I'll do another video too where I show you how to do a higher quality blog where you actually kind of tell it what to do, and then it will automatically blog that, create the image for you, and if you have your credentials set up in our system, it will automatically post it to your WordPress sites. And I'll have to mask a couple of things here. This is the page link. So this is a customer site, and it gives you the links that were created from your other PBNs to this website. And you can also click outbound, and you can see all the links coming out of that website, even though that website is a customer site and not a PBN, private blog network. And also there's a little bit of SEO monitoring on the home page here, especially toward the middle and the bottom. This is your Google Analytics. Again, if you have that turned on, you can set this for one website to show up on your dashboard homepage. So here I'm hiding my website names, but here you can see your top 10 sites and what is the trust flow and the Moz domain authority. The next video I will probably do is on the AI blogging features. So I'm trying to keep these videos really short and to the point. So please come back and check out that next video. And remember that we're at website-garden.com. This has been Neil. See you in the next video.
Now you know the tool to use, website-garden.com. Start monitoring your SEO on multiple sites.